My research is mainly about radical circle, and by radical circle I mean a restricted group of people that, without the necessity to be organized in a structured organization, challenge each other in order to propose a completely new vision in comparison to the dominant paradigms. And we were intrigued by this cultural movement that are able to influence both startups and companies in providing completely new products and services through the proposal of completely new visions. I strongly believe that in a world full of ideas, having a vision is the real challenge that companies are facing, and consequently the collaboration with radical circles, so a group of people that can highlight new paradigms, new way of living in the future, can allow companies and startups in envisioning potential futures and consequently develop innovative products and services. We were really inspired by a few radical circles. We went through radical circles that operate in completely different industries, starting from slow food in the food industry, moving towards a free software foundation in the software industry, and finally through Memphis, an industrial design movement established in Italy in the 80s. And we discovered that these movements start from a sort of malaise. They don't accept something that is emerging in the world, and consequently they create a completely new vision in clear contrast with the dominant paradigm. At the same time, we have discovered that this kind of radical circle mainly grow through a criticism attitude that develop inside the group that allow them to challenge one another and consequently go deeper in an initial vision that embryonically emerge and then become the new paradigm also in the industry. For example, slow food, in clear contrast with the fast food movement, was able to completely redefine the way we think about the food consumption experience, improving the quality of the food that we are eating and giving us new reason why we can appreciate a specific piece of meat or cheese. Yeah, we have identified a lot of implications from the research coming from radical circle. First of all, we strongly believe that both startups and companies can look for radical circle in order to have new inspiration and consequently to redefine the reason why they are existing in our world. On the other hand, thinking about policymakers, we strongly believe that recognizing the role that radical circles can have in our economy, policymakers can support the emergence of these radical circles, can support companies in finding these radical circles and eventually provide those spaces that allow the meeting between companies and radical circles.